Challenges are difficult tasks ahead of us, that are totally dependent on how we respond to them. They are empowering at their core. Something we choose or accept. Something imbued with a sense of will. If not controlled properly, they will become stress. Eventually, it is a dead end. Stress could end your dreams. Stress is a feeling of emotional or physical tension as a result of your usual body's reaction to a challenge or demand. To move to the direction of your dreams, or to your desired end result. How do you regulate your stress? The simplest and most effective way is pause. What is pause? It is a way of stepping back to see the big picture of challenges in front of you. Self-control is its main characteristic. It is a direct way to clear the cobwebs of your life's gray area. A prelude for all the alternatives to be produced, to come up with the best solution to your dilemma. Temporary rest, or taking a break for a short period, after an effort of challenging situations. Big picture, or reflective thinking, to determine what you can and cannot control. Challenges from our inherent problems can be met by pausing, so you can directly and effectively analyze the situation with the available resources on hand. By pausing, you are actually reinforcing your self-control. Self-control is the ability to alter and regulate responses to achieve properly your short and long-term goals. Self-control is the chief element in self-respect, and self-respect is the chief element in courage. In other words, harness your strength within, and not without. By seeing the big picture, you can easily determine challenges that cannot be controlled, as against challenges that can be controlled. With this way of analyzing the situation, you can appropriately generate alternative solutions. and be able to choose the best one. Confidently armed with the best solution to your challenges. Your stress level is regulated and manageable, which certainly lead to peace of mind. The end result is a joyful heart, which is the big picture perspective of what truly matters. Hardly a day passes that your ability to withstand outside pressures is actually the challenge needed to move to your destination. A joyful heart. Remember, to have a joyful heart, you need to pause, or stepping back to see the big picture. Generate alternatives. Choose the best solution. Lastly, implement and monitor.